but it's alright. We'll stay friends, trusting in my confidence.
Hello lovely viewers, this is your boy once again with another amazing one coming your way from NKD Explore. Today I'm reacting to Dan Vasc and it's on his title, A Tale That Wasn't Right, Halloween cover. Stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Let's get into the video without wasting time. Let's go.
Here I stand, all alone. Have my mind turned to stone. Have my heart filled up with ice to avoid its breaking twice. Thanks to you, my dear old friend, but you can help. This is the end of a tale that wasn't right. I won't have no sleep tonight. In my heart, in my soul, I really hate to pay this toll. Should be strong, young and proud, but the only thing I feel is pain. But it's alright, we'll stay friends, trusting in my confidence. And let's say it's just alright. You won't sleep alone tonight. In my heart, in my soul, I really hate to pay this toll. Should be strong, young and proud, but the only thing I feel is pain. With my heart, with my soul, some guys cry, you heart and soul. They've been strong, young and proud, but they say, play this song again. In my heart, in my
Hey my friends, it's great to see you here today. This song and I have a history. This was one of the first songs that I used to practice my falsetto when I first started to learn how to sing and discovered this falsetto thing that allowed me to go to those high notes. This song was pretty fun to practice, and one thing is to be able to reach the high note, and another thing is to be able to reach the note and to make it sound good. In my case, it didn't. But I kept singing anyway. It was a lot of fun. Now you keep letting me know in the comments below what songs you want me to cover on this channel. I'll do what I can to bring that to you if I do like the song, that is. I hope to see you next time, my friends. Until then, have yourselves an epic day.
Now, that is an amazing one from Dan Vasc. Okay, from what we heard, he actually has a history with this particular song. The song is the song he used to practice when he started his musical journey. To be able to reach where he is now, this song is part of his journey. And that is awesome and amazing to know. So now we can tell the kind of song that has made him who he is today. Apart from that, his high note, being able to hit those high notes are amazing despite the song he used in practicing. Are you getting it? It's an amazing thing to do. It's an amazing talent to have because it's not easy to hit such high notes. Even when you are singing your normal song, you know that. Do you see how hard you struggle to hit such notes? So he is doing well. I love his song. He has that charisma that makes the song attractive, and at the same time the song carries some kind of tension. Are you getting it? But apart from that, I love the guy. I still love the guy. I don't know what to say. I hope he released videos because I went through his YouTube and it's like there's been months upon months without him releasing any video. I don't know what's happening, but until then, adios.